What is going on, guys? My name is Jesse Eby. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I'll be releasing weekly content in regards to e-commerce, Shopify dropshipping, and everything online entrepreneurship. If you haven't started a Shopify store yet, be sure to check the link in the description. I have a free trial down there that you can use, and I'm giving free audits for anybody that signs up and buys a plan using that link. There's a small commission that's earned that I invest directly back into the channel to continue bringing you guys more powerful content, free giveaways, and stuff like that. So be sure to take advantage of that. All right, guys, so I've had some people, this is just gonna be a quick video today. I've had some minors hit me up asking me how they can really start drop shipping and become an entrepreneur, as somebody that's under 18, which is freaking awesome. I wish I had that kind of forethought when I was under 18. I just think about how far I would have gone if I had, if somebody just put me on that path, but I was suffering from my disease and, I was battling not dying. So I had to get through all that, but, big kudos to those young guys and girls that are starting out in entrepreneurship. Go for it. I'm trying to get my little brother too, but he doesn't really ever want to listen to me. But, I know how beneficial that'd be for him because nobody in the older generation is giving young kids the proper guidance. I sure as hell didn't get the proper guidance. And I know for a fact that the younger generations under me are not getting the proper guidance that they should be. And they're sure not getting it from the school system. So anyways, those that are interested in entrepreneurship at a young age, keep going. It's not going to be easy. It's going to be kind of difficult, but keep your head down, keep your mind on your goal, and just keep grinding. It's going to be worth it for the long term when you're making more than your parents by the time you're 18, 19, 20. And that kind of leads me up to my other point here, at least the point that I was going to be talking about here. If you want to start Shopify as a minor, you can do it, but you're gonna have to have a parent or a guardian or somebody 18 or older to kind of do everything under their name. So for example, if you had a Shopify store, you can have a parent or somebody over 18 to go ahead and sign up and use their information and put you as a staff member, for example. So just keep in mind, you are gonna need the support of a person that's over 18. You gotta have all your ducks in a row. You can't just run out there as a minor and go ahead and start business and start a Shopify store. What's gonna happen is you're gonna create more problems for yourself in the long run. You can do it, but you have to do it properly. So let's put some notes here real quick. And sorry, this is just propped up on my bed right now. I have to drill into the wall and go ahead and hang this up. But so minors, hell yeah, do it. Hell yeah, do it. Anything entrepreneurship, you could be making more money than your parents combined by the time you graduate high school if you do it properly. So most importantly, hell yeah, do it. Don't be discouraged by any roadblocks that you have coming up because there is gonna be a little bit more roadblocks because you're a minor. There's roadblocks anyway. You're gonna experience a little bit more because you're a minor. So first off, just hell yeah, do it. And another point that I wanna bring up is you will need the support of someone 18 plus. All right, hopefully I'm not blocking that here, but you will need the support of someone 18 plus. Now that's gonna be a hard one because even before how big e-commerce was and how big making money online was, I was doing things online that nobody that was 18 or older wanted to help me with. There used to be these things, maybe someone in the comments could let me know what this was. It was, I was probably like 13 when I was doing it, but I was able to do this stuff online where I was like signing up for free trials and like looking at people's advertisements and then like getting other people to look at these advertisements, and I would like collect points, and then I'd get like iPods sent in the mail and like all these gadgets and stuff. And some of the things that required having someone that was 18 or older, and of course the automatic answer from anybody that was 18 or older was no. I know this is a common issue that happens with all minors, is parents and people that are 18 plus just denying helping them with anything at all. So that's going to be a hindrance straight off the bat, but don't feel too discouraged. I wasn't helped with anything whatsoever. I was basically on my own since I was like 14, 15. So any roadblocks, any difficulties that come up, be sure to push through it. Keep looking. Maybe you could find somebody that's 18 plus that's going to help you and kind of support you along the way. But make sure you do your due diligence. Make sure that you show the adult that you really have a game plan, and you really need to convince them that if they put their name on it, that you're not going to cause problems for them. There's not going to be some government agencies chasing them down or something like that. When minors are signing up, they have the option to either use an EIN number or a social security number. But in the event that you need a social security number, and most likely your parent or somebody over 18 is going to be unwilling to give you that social security number, what other minors have said is that you can use an EIN number. And what an EIN number is, it's basically a number that you take 5 minutes and you apply for on the IRS.gov. By the way, this is for US citizens, this EIN number. I don't know how it works in other countries, but the EIN number is essentially a social security number for your business. Now, it's not technically registering a business. If I recall, it took 5 minutes on the IRS website, and you fill out a form and then boom, you have an EIN number. That does not mean your business is registered. You still have to go through all the other stuff to register your business, but don't worry about that until you have a business established and you're actually making money. Then you can register your business. But disclaimer, talk to a tax professional or a lawyer about this stuff. I'm neither, but this is just how I went about everything. And I'll actually leave a link in the description to the IRS website where you could go ahead and make your EIN number. It's super simple. But one important thing, guys, to keep in mind, you're gonna wanna have a business PayPal account. I'll leave a link in the description where you can actually, because you gotta be careful with PayPal. Once you get over like 10 grand, they will actually lock your account if you don't do everything necessary beforehand. And I made a video on this, how to prevent PayPal from locking your account. They will seize your money for a long time, and if you need that money to make payments or you need that money to order things and it's seized, you're gonna have big problems, and it's gonna get even more complicated if you're a minor. So you're gonna wanna have an adult that owns that PayPal account, and you're gonna wanna follow my video and make sure you preemptively do everything necessary to protect yourself from PayPal seizing your money and closing your account. At the end of the day, sure, you could start doing Shopify as a minor, but you're really just gonna need the support. Like everything that you would normally sign up for as an adult, you will just need an adult to sign up for you. And it's gonna be a pain in the ass, but it's gonna be worth it when you're 18, 19, 20, and you're already making more money than your parents. Just a quick video today, you guys. I have so much going on, but I wanna keep bringing you guys as much content as possible. Once I kind of get my bearings, I wanna have some daily videos coming out, and we'll be rocking and rolling. Be sure you check the link in the description for that PayPal video. It's super important. You don't wanna be going through the process and then have your money seized, and it's gonna be a nightmare as a minor, and you might get your account shut down entirely if you're signed up as a minor. It'll just be a mess. Just be diligent. You could do this. There's a lot of minors doing it. Just be diligent and have your ducks in a row, man, so that you don't have any firestorms in the future. You'll thank me later. All right, and if you're not a minor, hey, sorry, but I've had some minors hit me up about this, but direct this video to anybody that's a minor and asking this question, or maybe you have some kids or family that's minors that want to get started. And aside from that, I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.